Hi everyone, and welcome back. Today we're exploring Lake Hartwell State Park in South Carolina, a beautiful lakeside escape perfect for camping, fishing, hiking, and water adventures. Let's dive into everything this 600-acre park has to offer. Located near Fairplay, South Carolina, just off of I-85 at the Georgia border, Lake Hartwell State Park spans 680 acres and boasts 14 miles of shoreline around a 56,000-acre reservoir. Whether you're here to fish, boat, swim, hike, or simply relax, this park has got it all. Hiking. The Beach Bluff Trail is a gentle 0.7-mile nature walk with scenic lake views. It's a perfect morning activity. Recreation. A playground, basketball court, and picnic areas right by the water make this family friendly. Fishing and boating. 2 public boat ramps and a 140-foot fishing pier support fishing for largemouth bass, crappie, striped bass, brim, and catfish. You'll find a wide range of overnight options. 109 paved RV tent sites with water and electric hookups. Many will support up to 40-foot RVs. 13 walk-in tent sites for a more rustic experience. And there's camper cabins that are 11 foot by 13 foot and offer bunk beds, double bed, AC, electricity, Wi-Fi, but no plumbing. All cabins are waterfront except for the ADA cabin. Now let's talk about the practical things, what people actually have to say about Lake Hartwell State Park. Richard F. says, "Nice state park. If you're into water sports, this is a perfect park." And another reviewer says, "Internal roads, small and cramped, but needs maintenance." So you'll enjoy stunning lake views and great recreation, but the roads and some campsite spacing can feel tight and dated. The park charges $3 per adult, kids under 6 are free, and it's open year-round. Peak times include weekends and university events, so plan ahead. Here's some tips. Book campsites or cabins early, especially during summer or holiday weekends. Bring your own kayak or paddleboard. Boat rentals aren't available on site. Fishing gear is available via a loaner program at the Visitor Center, which is great for families. Here's some pros and cons of Lake Hartwell State Park. Let's break it down. Pros. Gorgeous lakefront scenery and bird watching opportunities. Excellent fishing and boating access. A variety of camping and cabin options. Cons. Sites and roads are tight and sometimes outdated. No internal boat, kayak rentals, you gotta bring your own. So there you have it. Lake Hartwell State Park is a hidden gem for outdoor lovers, anglers, and campers who want authentic lakeside charm. If you're okay with a few rough edges, it's absolutely worth a visit. Thanks for joining this full tour and review. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more campground reviews and park adventures. Planning a trip? Drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. We leave you with a full drive-thru of the campsites at Lake Hartwell State Park. We hope you enjoyed this video and have more fun camping.